What's up, guys? Are you ready for the next crypto bull market? If not, it's time to start cracking the code and preparing yourself right now for what I think is going to be the biggest cryptocurrency bull run in our lifetime and maybe the biggest crypto bull run ever, considering what we know about BlackRock. They're coming in and they're about to change the game, okay? And whether you like that or not, this is going to become more institutionalized, crypto as a whole, in the United States, that is, for sure. Okay, now, it's not about sitting there talking about it and saying, oh my gosh, woe is me. It's about taking advantage of what we can right now in this small window and preparing ourselves for huge success. So in this video, we're going to explore proven strategies to help you get ahead of the game right now and make the most of the next crypto bull market. If that sounds like something that interests you, stick around to the end of the video because I am going to give some of my fire picks, some of my top crypto altcoin picks that I want to have in my portfolio as we enter the next crypto bull market. Before we get to those fire picks though, I want to talk about just our strategy, proven strategy, because in 2021, even though I came a little bit late to the party, I didn't get right at the beginning of the 2021 bull run, but it was an amazing, amazing time for me. I was able to quit my 9 to 5. For those of you guys who don't know my story, I was battling, doing the whole thing, right, that I went to school for, hated it, was making $48,000 a year, hated it, wanted to leave, wanted to get out, tried a bunch of different businesses, failed fast though. I had 3 or 4 small businesses, some online, some brick and mortar, didn't work, but I wasn't going to be denied. And I found cryptocurrency in late 2020, and the little money I had, I started investing. And before then, it started with education. Education is where everyone has to start. Understanding the crypto market and its dynamics is crucial to success. Invest your time in learning about different cryptocurrencies, about different sectors, blockchain technology as a whole, and market trends, market cycles. Stay updated on all the news and information and developments to make informed decisions. And of course, you can do that by subscribing to this channel right here and many others out there that provide great information for you. Next, diversify your portfolio. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across a variety of cryptos and other asset classes. It doesn't have to stop just at crypto. To me, people who go all in on just crypto, I don't agree with that. Start a business, invest in crypto, have some stocks, invest in real estate. This can help mitigate risks and maximize potential returns. Crypto has been the best investment class for me, and I think it will be for you, but it doesn't mean you have to just stop there, and especially not stopping at one crypto. Now, another strategy is set clear goals and stick to them. Have a plan with every single crypto asset you get into. I say this all the time. I say it ad nauseum, and I hope every single person takes this to heart. Define your investment objectives, whether it's long-term wealth accumulation, like a Bitcoin investment for myself or Ethereum, or is it for short-term gains? That's okay too. Having a plan in place with every single asset you get into will keep you focused and disciplined when the market starts to fluctuate. And guys, timing is everything. It truly, truly is. Keep an eye on market cycles, understand what's happening in the macro, and identify possible entry and exit points accordingly. Don't fall into the trap of FOMO or fear of missing out, where you're just chasing every single green candle, because you will get wrecked that way. You're going to get wrecked. Patience and strategic decision making is why I was able to quit my 9 to 5 back in 2021. And yes, I had a few big winners. And yes, I lost my ass in crypto in the small cap space, and still do today. But it's only money I'm willing to lose. I also had a few big winners in the small cap crypto space. What that has allowed me to do is to diversify even further and really mitigate my risks and take less chances in that small cap space, because now I had a few big wins and I'm able to stack my chips in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the other top cryptos. Additionally, consider dollar cost averaging. especially into the large caps. That compounding effect will have a huge impact down the road. Instead of investing a large sum all at once and then seeing your portfolio come down on one little red day, allocate a fixed amount regularly. I buy Bitcoin every single day, very small amounts. This approach helps smooth out the impact of market volatility, and crypto is volatile, and it'll reduce the risk of making poor investment decisions. Remember to secure your investments too. Safeguard your crypto assets by using secure wallets and enabling two-factor authentication. Be wary of phishing attempts, and always double check which platforms and websites you're interacting with. If we learned anything from the FTX situation, not your keys, not your crypto. Lastly, before we get into some of my fire altcoin picks, don't let emotions drive your decision making. Embrace risk management strategies. Avoid impulse trading. If you're going to trade, have the tools to do so. Don't just trade on some news story or some one person you heard of. Have the tools. I used my own product that I had made, spent a lot of money on it. It works, XT Algo. That is available to you guys if you're interested. Links down below. But this is going to keep your emotions in check and stick to your investment plan. With these proven strategies, you're going to be ready to crack the code and prepare yourself for generational wealth in this next crypto bull run. Remember, success in crypto requires continuous learning. Never, ever feel like you have it figured out. That's when you'll get blindsided. Diversify your investments and make disciplined decisions based on your overall goals. So, now it's time to take a look at some of my picks. All right, so these are some cryptos that I want to have, that I already do have. A lot of them are cryptos I already do have, but they're cryptos I want to still to accumulate as well ahead of this next bull cycle. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Quant, Render, Solana, Caspa, Avalanche, HBAR, and there are a few others, but that list right there should get you in a nice place. There are some others. Chainlink, Matic, SHIB, Kronos, Aptos. These are all top 100 cryptos, by the way. Yes, I know that. And there will be many other small cap gems. But again, it's all about mitigating your risk, having some money in order to chase some of those small cap gems in the future. A few others for you before we close it out that I really like. The Graph. Looking down the list here, Gala Games, Chili's, Arweave, and many others. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because we break down every single thing that we talk about here on the channel. We break it down in depth when we talk about individual cryptos. And when my mind changes or I come across something new, I'm always bringing it to you guys first right here on the channel. So appreciate you guys as always. You're prepared now to create generational wealth. I can't wait to be there with you along for the ride as well. And let's freaking win together in what I think is the biggest opportunity of our lifetime right now. This runway from now until the end of this next bull cycle, this is it. This is the moment we've been waiting for, and it's time to take full advantage. We'll see you in the next one.